Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to the first ever edition of, I don't even know what to call it, my podcast, my come hang out with me, my live stream. I wanted to do a Saturday afternoon Q&A session with myself, just talking about life, real estate, or any current events in general. Just wanted to hang out with you guys for the afternoon here on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. But YouTube requires 50 subscribers. So before I get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I kindly ask that if you do want more content like this, with more home buying tips, with more education, and more confidence to purchase a new construction home, let me know and subscribe to this channel. Give me some ideas, post comments below, ask questions. I love to answer and help and educate folks however I can. So, quick little introduction. My name is Evan Ruiz. I'm a new home sales rep here in San Antonio, Texas, on the far west side, here located in my Bison Ridge community. So, let's get straight into the video, you guys. Today, I want to talk about the three main core components, what it takes to purchase a new construction home. Now, you can pretty much copy and paste this for a pre-existing home. However, I can only really speak upon new builds because obviously that's my field, right? So, number one is your credit score. Credit score is huge, okay? The higher the credit score, the less likely you will have to pay money out of pocket towards your closing costs, which is essentially the money that you would owe whenever you get your keys and you close on your home, okay? Ideally, you want to be in the 700s. 700 plus is even better, okay? Doesn't mean you won't be able to get good rates if you have below 700. However, it might just cost more money out of your pocket to get those types of interest rates, okay? So keep that in mind. And again, interest rate is very, very important depending on what type of monthly payment you can afford, essentially. So the lower the monthly payment, the lower the interest rate. They go hand in hand, okay? Second thing is your debt to income ratio. This isn't necessarily something that you can track or really pull up. It's really more or less what my loan officers and my underwriters are going to see once you go under contract and actually submit your formal loan application, okay? The DTI, or debt to income ratio, determines on what loan program that you go with, and that's a later video. I'll talk about different loan programs, but essentially the loan officer and the underwriters are going to look at how much income you make based off of your employer and your job that you have, and how much debt that you carry, whether it be a car loan, a furniture loan, a store credit card, or even just a generic credit card with your bank. Whatever it is that you took out a credit for that's attached to your social security number, that's what my underwriters are going to look at, okay? So if you pay your bills on time and you have perfect credit, that's great. Depending on the price point of the home you're looking for, you might be pricing yourself out of that home if you're carrying a lot of that debt. Even though, like I said, you pay it all on time, your credit score is great. However, if you're looking at, let's say, $500,000 home plus, and you're making, let's just say, rough example, $100K a year, but you carry a lot of debt with you, it may offset and it may not be able to qualify for that home. Does that make sense? Last and final thing, I'll just keep this one short and sweet. It's just straight up liquid money in your account. I would say cash, but not literally paper cash. We don't want mattress money. It's money that has to be sourced from somewhere. Obviously, your employer. If you get a gift from a family member, we would need what's called a gift letter. So family members can help with the purchase of a home, whether it be your down payment or your closing costs. We would just need to source where those funds are coming from, okay? So those are the big three. Those are the biggest things that any loan officer, any underwriter is going to take a look at when it comes to qualifying for a loan to purchase a new construction home. Okay, let me know in the comments if this is something that you guys are interested in keeping this series going. I can just come on here, do a quick little 5-minute video for you guys, kind of give you some tips and tricks on how to purchase a new construction home, what to look for, and then obviously help you guys out if you were to look to relocate, you know. So keep me posted. Let me know. Put it in the comments. Whatever you guys want to see next. I'm literally open to anything right now. This is very early on in my YouTube career, but I definitely want to get this channel off the ground and be able to help out families just like yours. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Take care and have a great rest of your day.